Hi, I'm Andy Savard, the Garage Inspector, and I'm looking at the latest in the Philips Xperion 6000 range of award-winning workshop lights. If you've ever worked on vehicles, you'll know how vitally important it is to get the right lighting for the job at hand. There are now 11 lights in the Xperion 6000 range, everything from handhelds to flood units, and even one that you can play your music through. This is the latest underbonnet light. Look how versatile it is. It stretches to more than 2 meters in width and it hooks on easily underneath the bonnet with nice soft padding to make sure you don't damage anything, just here and at the other end. You can move the lighting across the whole width of the engine bay and also angle it in any way to make sure you get the light where you need it most. It gives off really natural white light and the level's adjustable too. It's tough, built to withstand the rigors of the workshop, and it's clever. It also has a presence sensor to save the battery when you step away for a while. Check it out yourself.